Hello, my name is Aditya and I'm a rising junior at Leland High School. My main project is the RC robot tank and this is my final milestone video. For my first milestone, I built the chassis of my robot and wired my motor driver to my motors, my battery, and my Arduino. For my second and final milestone, however, I added my PS2 receiver and controller and connected it to my Arduino. To make my motors turn and rotate based off my code and which buttons I click on my controller. Here's a demonstration. So the first part of this milestone was I had to wire my receiver to my Arduino, and during this process I learned what different pins on my receiver meant, such as ground, control, and power. But the majority of this milestone was actually programming, which was pretty difficult for me until I realized that key parts of my code could actually be found online and could be utilized when I downloaded the correct library. I proceeded to use if statements that pretty much said if I press on the X button, print the letter X in the serial monitor, and when this letter X was actually printed in the serial monitor and it worked, it confirmed that the connection between my controller, the receiver, and the Arduino all worked. I proceeded to try to make the connection to my motors also work. I did this by including digital write in my program, which gave my motor speed values, and I also modified my if statements to say if I click the up button on my controller, make my motors rotate forward. If I click the down button on the D-pad of my controller, make the motors rotate backward, and so on for left and right. This project was a really good learning experience for me, as I got introduced to mechanical and electrical engineering, and as well as programming, and I'm really excited that I was able to finish this project within the 2 weeks time frame. Thank you.